Welcome to Auto Trend, your go-to source for the latest automotive insights. In today's episode, we have an exciting showdown between two of Toyota's best new SUVs, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser and the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Both of these vehicles have a rich history of off-road prowess and reliability, but which one best suits your individual needs? Before we dive into the comparison, take note that we are doing a cash giveaway when we hit 500 subscribers. To enter, simply comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. Alright, first up we have pricing. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser starts at $57,345 and can reach up to $76,345, depending on the trim and options you choose. If you're deciding which trim to go for, the mid-range Land Cruiser seems to be the best choice, offering a perfect balance of features and value. On the other hand, Toyota hasn't released the official pricing for the 2025 4Runner just yet, but we anticipate a slight price increase over the 2024 model. We expect the 2025 Toyota 4Runner to start at around $43,000 and go up to $54,000, depending on the trim and options. Overall, the 4Runner is a more accessible and affordable option compared to the Land Cruiser. If budget is a key factor for you, the 4Runner might be the way to go. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser has received a significant update under the hood. In this modernized generation, Toyota has replaced the naturally aspirated V8 with a turbocharged hybrid powertrain. It features a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, producing a combined 326 horsepower. The hybrid system's electric motor complements the engine by providing immediate torque right from a stop, making the entire powertrain feel incredibly responsive. Every Land Cruiser comes equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a robust four-wheel drive system. This setup allows the Land Cruiser to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.6 seconds. The 2025 4Runner has also seen some major changes. Gone is the old 4Runner SUV's archaic 4-liter V6. The new model comes equipped with a powerful 278 horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. While the base versions of the 4Runner won't feature a hybrid system, you still get a solid performance package. The standard setup is a rear-wheel drive layout, but for those who crave adventure, a full-time four-wheel drive system is available. Toyota are yet to release official 0 to 60 miles per hour times for the 2025 4Runner, but it looks set for a sub-7-second time. Fuel economy. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser boasts impressive EPA ratings, with 22 miles per gallon in the city, 25 miles per gallon on the highway, and 23 miles per gallon combined. These numbers are a significant improvement over the previous generation's V8 model, making the new Land Cruiser more efficient and economical for your adventures. As for the 2025 4Runner, Toyota hasn't revealed any official fuel economy figures yet. However, its engine is essentially identical to the one in the Toyota Tacoma. If the Tacoma is any indication, there will be gains in efficiency. The 2.4-liter turbo under the hood of the Toyota Tacoma pickup boasts 26 miles per gallon on the highway, 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon combined. Overall, these two look to be roughly similar in their fuel consumption. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser shifts gears from its predecessor, offering a more streamlined experience as a two-row 5-seat SUV. This downsized body puts it in direct competition with mid-size rivals like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler, rather than full-size SUVs such as the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition. Even the base 1958 trim comes with comfortable features like heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Meanwhile, the mid-range trim and the limited production First Edition take things up a notch with more deluxe cabins. These trims include ventilated seats, 10-speaker stereos, and available leather upholstery, ensuring a more premium driving experience. If the cabin of the 4Runner looks familiar, that's because it borrows much of its design from the most recent Tacoma and Tundra pickup trucks. The dashboard and infotainment setup are almost identical. All these new models share similar chunky shifter knobs, buttons, and switchgear. Inside the 4Runner, you'll find storage bins thoughtfully placed throughout, and all the controls are within easy reach for the driver. Climate controls, the switches for the four-wheel drive system, and the toggles for lights and auxiliary inputs are all physical, so there's no haptic feedback here. Another quirk of 4Runners in the past was their cramped interior dimensions. Unfortunately, that also carries over to the new generation. The seating position is high, which you'd expect for an SUV of this type, but the front row will feel snug for anyone over 6 feet tall. The doors and center console feel too close, and headroom is hard to come by. The same carries over to the rear seats. A brilliant positive of the 2025 4Runner is that Toyota kept the roll-down tailgate glass intact. So if you're looking for a more spacious and premium interior, the Land Cruiser is definitely the way to go. However, the 4Runner offers a familiar and practical layout with thoughtful storage and control placements, despite its tighter dimensions. Infotainment and connectivity. When it comes to infotainment, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser doesn't disappoint. Every model comes equipped with Toyota's excellent system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. However, the base 1958 trim starts with a modest 8-inch display, while all other Land Cruiser trims upgrade to a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen. Standard features include USB-C charging ports and a wireless smartphone charging pad. For those looking for even more tech, onboard Wi-Fi is available at an additional cost. The infotainment and technology area is where the 2025 4Runner really stands out compared to the previous generation. While the 2024 model was quite basic, the new one is packed with high-tech features. A standard 8-inch infotainment display runs Toyota's latest software, which is both user-friendly and quick to load. For those looking for even more, there's an optional 14.0-inch display and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Every model comes equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, USB Type-C ports, and a digital key system that allows you to lock, unlock, and start your 4Runner with a smartphone app. So, if you're seeking cutting-edge technology and connectivity, both the Land Cruiser and the 4Runner offer robust options. The Land Cruiser provides a feature-rich experience, while the 4Runner takes it a step further with more high-tech options and user-friendly features. Right, let's look at towing abilities. Capable of towing up to 6,000 pounds, the Land Cruiser is about average for SUVs of this size. While the 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain might start to feel strained towing up a grade at higher speeds, the Land Cruiser should be able to pull a light camper without issue. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner also boasts an impressive maximum towing capacity of 6,000 pounds. This is a significant improvement of 1,000 pounds over the previous generation. It's a robust figure that outshines many of its competitors, including the Jeep Wrangler. Safety and driver assistance features. Toyota equips both of these SUVs with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features known as Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This bundle includes essential systems like automated emergency braking and lane departure warning, along with advanced features such as adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Additionally, there's a system that can detect if the driver is non-responsive, bringing the vehicle to a safe stop if needed. This adds an extra layer of security for you and your passengers. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Both SUVs come with the same warranty offerings. The limited warranty on these covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. The powertrain warranty lasts 5 years or 60,000 miles. This is pretty standard for the SUV class. However, something rare which Toyota provides on both of these SUVs is a brilliant complimentary maintenance, which covers 2 years or 25,000 miles. So folks, in conclusion, both the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser and the 2025 Toyota 4Runner offer exceptional features and capabilities tailored to different needs and preferences. The Land Cruiser brings a modernized hybrid powertrain and a premium interior, making it a fantastic choice for those seeking a blend of luxury, performance, and incredible off-roading abilities. On the other hand, the 4Runner stands out with its slightly more practical design and advanced infotainment features, making it an excellent option as a daily driver and also a vehicle that can manage itself in off-road terrains. Thank you for joining us on this detailed comparison of the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser and the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision on which SUV suits your lifestyle best. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to Auto Trend for more in-depth reviews and also to enter yourself into our giveaway. Until next time folks, stay safe on the roads!